A very good morning to all. Class 2, this is our third day revision of chapter number 2. And today we are going to revise place value and face value. So what is the meaning of place value? Place value means the place in which that number belongs to. Understood? Place value of a digit in a number depends upon its place or position. For example, we'll take from the question. Okay, suppose this 218. What you have to do? Write the place value of the circled digit in each of the following. So we have to write the place of this circled digit. Okay, we all know we always start from the right hand side, that is ones column. Ones, tens, hundred. So this 2 belongs to the hundreds place. So its place value is 2 hundreds. Easy. 2 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 200. This is its place value. 2 hundreds either we write or we can write as 200. Understood? In the same way, when we take any position of 0, okay, when 0 is on a ones place or tens place, we always write 0, tens or ones, and its value will be 0. Okay, no multiply by 1, multiply by 10 will do, because value of 0 is always 0. Okay, the place value of 0 is always 0. Understood? Yes. Now we'll move to the face value. Face value I defined you previously also. Face means the face, as your face. If you are Mohit, what is your face? Your name belongs to your face. So by seeing your face, we say this is Mohit. Okay. In the same way, in the face value, the number belongs to any of the place of the number, any of the position, but its value remain the same as it. It depends upon its face. As it sees, the same value it carries of its face value. Clear? In place value, we write the position. That digit in the number belongs to which position? That we write, that is place value according to its place or position. But face value, its digit itself, the value of a number, its face is equal to its digit itself. Understood? So if 0, the answer will be 0. If it is 4, the answer will be 4. Okay, no changes in its face value. In the same way, the question asked, complete the following with respect to the circled digit. Okay, in the number, one of the digit is circled. We have to write its face value as well as place value. So face value will be the number itself, and its place value depend upon its place. Ones, tens. So 9090. When it comes to tens place, we put 10. As we know, in 10 there is 10. If it comes to hundreds place, we write 20. Understood? Very good. See, 0. Its place value will also be 0, and its face and place both will be 0 itself. Now come to this. This question beta and this one is of same type. This is given in sentence form and this has been given in the short form. So don't get confused. Okay. In this also we have to write the same method we will follow. Suppose this one. In 678, this is the number. The place value of 7. See here, 7. 1, tens. So 7 and 0. And face value, as I told you, face value never change. Now come to the next number, 456. The place value of 5. Again 5 belongs to tens place, so 50. Face value will always be same. Understood? This face value and place value is clear to you? Very good. So what you have to do? I will give you this question in the form of PDF. Okay, you have to do this in your copy, and the next day will revise expanded form and compact form. Then this chapter number 2 will be over. Okay, so your today's work is, I will send you this PDF. You have to complete this in your copy, and you have to write 2 tables also. That also I will write here, what tables you have to do, and you have to do it as revision in your copy. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Tomorrow again we'll meet, as tomorrow is our class. Okay, complete your work and practice as more as you can.